just noticed I've got a broken casting. That's a bugger. I have to sort that out. So these took a little while longer than I wanted to turn up, but they're finally here. Notice on the left hand clamp, or the right hand clamp as you look at it, the hole positions are slightly different, so these will only fit on one specific side. So let's get them swapped over. Also worthwhile replacing the spring wash as well, because you can see they're a bit squished. Another one to check for on these as well, they can sometimes crack right across the middle there, so also worth checking those and swapping them out if need be. That's it, throw it on the floor, that works. All we do then is torque these up to 15 foot-pounds. Brake disc is just in the wrong position. It's worthwhile going around them a couple of times because they will loosen off a bit, these, as everything pinches up. And last but not least, mudguard state. And this is going to be a bugger, isn't it? and job done. Worthwhile going about a 50-mile ride after that, and then just come and torque everything back up, make sure nothing's come loose. And that is how to replace the axle clamps. Thanks for watching. And why did nobody point out to me that it had gone at a slight angle? That's because I couldn't see because the camera was in the way. Try and get them in flat like that. Nice even gap between the fork and the clamp. Yeah, thanks for watching again.